guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. Today's video is a video on how to change the interior lights on your BMW F20 F21 1 Series. I've never done this before, so it's a learning curve for me too. And also, all the my car has the basic light package. Anyway, let's start with the center light just up here. Before I forget, I'm going to use my trim removal tool. Hopefully it's okay, I won't break anything. Let's have a go. So with the interior lighting in the top center, do not unclip from this side. If you do that, you will break it. What you need to do is unclip it from this point here and this point here. There are two metal clips just here. As you will see, broke the clips in the past, and yeah, it's not good. So they're a bit loose and must typically back on. So this one here is loose now, so I'm going to have to re-glue that. That's why you should always undo the clips from this side, from this edge here. Just aim for this area and this area here. That little noise you heard on the floor earlier was this little metal clip here, and this slides into there just like this one. To release the bulb on this type, all we have to do is twist it, and voila. This is very hot and it's actually burning my finger, but yeah, this is the bulb you need. When the bulb has cooled down, basically pull the bulb out of the slot, and it's a 12 volt 6WX. Yeah, it's very hot, but that's the bulb. Okay. So when you have the new bulb, push in this little connector thing and insert it into this hole here. It only fits one way, and twist to lock it back into place. To put this back into the big hole, all we have to do is make sure these metal clips are facing to the front of the car. Start from the back like this and push up the metal clip side, and it should all go into place like that. I'm very lucky it hasn't fallen on my head. So this light is a pain in the bum as well. What you do is unclip from this side the front of the car. You get your tool, whatever tool you want to use, like this, and you just unhook it there and unhook it there, and it should come down like this. But be very, very careful, because these metal clips here keep coming off. I spent the last 5 minutes looking on the floor for it, and the other one has gone down in the roof lining. So don't make DIY videos on changing your lights unless you got spare clips. But I just tested it and it still holds up. So remember, if you find your little clip like this one, slide it back into that hole again. It's a very silly design in my opinion. Okay, it's back in there, so that will hold the front edge up, and I might have to order another clip there just for keeping my OCD okay, basically. So basically on this one here there's a little light. To take the light out, all you have to do is, so it's very difficult with one hand, So what you do is basically untwist it like this and pull out. Okay? Just like the other bulb, you pull it out. And remember, it's very, very hot. Sorry about the dirt on the lens. Right, what I need to do now is put this back into this hole here. It will only go in one way because of the tabs. And when it's in place, just twist it. There you go. Now, when putting it back into the hole, what you need to do now is put these two tabs here up like this, and then push the front in to lock it into place. Normally you would hear 2 clicks, but I lost my metal tab all the way over there somewhere.
Next up is the glove box. Once the glove box is open, you will see a light inside. First of all, use a very thin tool to help remove the light's lens. Once it's popped out, you will see the bulb inside. This bulb is a W5W 12V5W. You will need to remove it the same way as the other 2 lights I have shown you before. Basically, it pulls out. I can't demonstrate as it's way too hot to touch today. Refitting is the same as removal. Just make sure that you fit the lens the same way it came out. Heading around to the boot, you will notice on the right hand side is a light. There are a few versions of this light, with a few different types of bulbs, but this is how to change the 12V 10W festoon bulb. When the lens has been removed, you will then need to turn the light over and you will see a metal cover. This little metal cover will need to be slid out of the way to gain access to the bulb. This type can be levered out gently. Refitting is the reverse of removal. There are so many lights you can get for the F20 F21 1 series, and I will probably forget some of them. They have them up where the vanity mirrors are, in the footwell, on the doors, the map reading lights, the B-pillars, and so on. I just wish I could film more on this video. Sorry that my car is so basic, and I am also very sorry that I did more voiceover for this tutorial. It's quite hard to do a DIY and talk to the camera at the same time. Well, it is for me anyway. Anyway, I will be doing some more videos for the F20 F21 soon, so if you are interested, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. Thank you so much and take care. Goodbye.